So now let's talk about the Xtreme Heaters Cabin Heater. We developed this to help keep the environment warm for people, and also it has an anti-freeze setting on it. So if you turn the thermostat all the way down, and we have it marked with a little snowflake there, it should keep the area around 45 degrees for you. And we built in a lot of other safety features. We have 3 settings on here. We have one setting is just a straight fan, and then we have a low setting, which is 750 watts, a high setting, which is 1500 watts. We have made this lightweight and durable and robust, but if it were ever to fall off of anything, we have a tip over switch in it. So if it were to move or fall over, the tip over switch would engage and shut the heater off until you came back and righted the heater. And another safety feature we have in there is we have a resettable fuse inside. If for some reason the heater were covered up and it were to start to get too hot, the resettable fuse would engage and protect the heater. And then we also have a fail-safe fuse in it that if something were to go wrong and the heater were to start to overheat, the one-time fuse would blow and stop the heater from working ever. It sits on the table, it's nice, convenient, lightweight, looks good. I think you'll have a good time with these.